Hey guys, we held an event to kickstart our documentary, and this is how it went down. After months of early mornings, late nights, and weekends planning, it was time to set up the venue. We were able to use a brilliant venue down in Brighton in the UK, which was the perfect space to chat with people and showcase the presentation. Before the event, we set up the seating plan, prepared the goodie bags, and did plenty of tech checks to make sure things would run smoothly. So far, so good. One of our funding methods is going to be an art auction, and so we made sure to have them on display throughout the event. After we finished setting up, it was time to set up the online event. We used YouTube to stream the event for viewers who were unable to make it down to Brighton. Then it was time for the event itself. The night kicked off with a presentation about the documentary. I spoke about why the film needs to be made, how production is going so far, and why this film could have a significant global social impact. We also presented a short 11-minute proof of concept film as part of the event.
Growing up, I was always excited about life and felt that anything was possible. Playing football in the boys' teams from the age of 5, I felt like anything could be achieved. And when I fell in love with blues and rock and roll, I knew I wanted a life full of adventure and music. Spending time at my grandparents' house in France as a child meant that this place felt more like home than anywhere. I graduated as a teacher, fell in love, and moved to France with my girlfriend to start a new, exciting chapter in life. But then, life flipped upside down in a way I could have never predicted. Suddenly, the world seemed sinister, torturous, and dark, but no one could tell me why.
That was followed by a Q&A where members of the audience asked really thoughtful and engaging questions. I wanted to give people a chance to meet other like-minded people and to be able to chat in a more informal setting, so the next stage was a pizza and wine networking session. Now, looking onwards, we are finishing our proof of concept film to enter into festivals, applying for grants and financial support from investors and philanthropists, and preparing for our crowdfunder launch and releasing the 999 art campaign and some of the music for the film very soon. Our ultimate aim is to go into full production in 2025 and release the film in 2026. To stay up to date with the progress of TOXSICK, you can sign up to our newsletter at toxic.org.